are the vitamins.
Real one hold you down, baby, you supposed to drink. You ain't never fuck with no boss, bitch. I turned you out. You won't catch me in no sharp boots. I burnt them out.
No, what? I keep trying shit and I'll never like it. Do not disturb. That's what D&D stands for.
Tell me how you want it. 3, 2, 1 and I'm on it. Feel good, don't it? Good bitch, fuck you in a bunny.
Oh my God, this is so crazy. Like, I was about to turn my TV off and go in the living room, and I look up at the TV and I say, what? That's my baby. That is my baby. Somebody put him on there for an album cover or something. Oh my God, that is so crazy. Oh my God. I'm telling you, man, I know there'll be signs from my baby, bro. Cause why is that on there? I'm gonna let it play.
I miss you, I can fit, and I just don't know what's up after me. I don't know what to do. And it's a letter to my brother, mama. Hope that you're okay. You know JB, he watching over us. You know I feel your pain.
That was crazy, man, for real. Long live my baby boy, bro, for real. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Life with Jessica. Today is Saturday, and apparently we're supposed to be having some bad weather. Well, I wouldn't say bad weather, but it's supposed to be like really cold or something, some kind of ice storm. I got a text saying we have some dangerously cold and icy weather on its way. We want you to stay safe and we want you to stay off the roads affected by winter weather. This allows first responders and linemen to safely respond to safety calls. So they don't have to tell me twice. They don't have to worry about me being out there. So I won't be doing much this weekend. I was like, well, maybe I can go ahead and just do a little vlog, an inside vlog. I'm about to do a Instacart order or Walmart delivery, and I plan on cooking a chicken stew later. I was gonna do a gumbo, but I don't really feel like doing all that, so I just do like a little chicken stew and get us some snacks, even though I just make groceries, but we just gotta have some winter snacks. So I'm just getting my day started. Don't really have much planned, can't go anywhere, can't do nothing, so it's pretty much gonna be a chill, cozy vlog, inside vlog. I already ate my breakfast and did what I had to do as far as for getting ready for the day, thinking I was really gonna do something, but since I'm not, we're gonna make the best of it. So I'm about to go take my vitamins. I got some new vitamins I want to try. These are the vitamins that I take. I took these for a while. They're pretty cool. I just don't like the way they make my pee look dark. You have to drink a lot of water with this. So I'm not gonna take this no more because I don't drink that much water. I drink water, but not that much. And before I was taking this, I don't need to take 2 multivitamins because one or the other. So I got some sea moss. No, not no sea moss, coconut coat. I wanted to try sea moss and coconut coat, but you don't need to take them both at the same time. So I said I was gonna try this one first. I'm finna see how I like it, and if I like this, I'm gonna get a big one, and then after this I'll try the sea moss and see if I feel a difference in like my energy and in my overall health, because I be tired all the time and I always have to have some type of energy drink. it don't matter how much I sleep, I still be tired. So I don't know, I'm just trying to find something that's gonna really benefit me. So this is the Berry Blast coconut coat. I don't know about this texture, but I'm sure about to see. And I got a small one because I know how I am. Okay, I'm about to see how this tastes. I already don't like the way it look. And I'm glad I got a small one because I have a feeling it's gonna be going in the trash. It's a negative. Nope. Okay, so for my probiotic gut health, I'm gonna continue to take these multivitamin plus probiotic. I'm not trying nothing else because I be wasting money. I don't care if it is a small one. So that's that on that. This is going in the trash. That shit just pissed me off.
4:30 and she has a 5:30 flight. And I
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel.
Y'all, it's really cold. I thought they was exaggerating, but it's like 22 degrees outside right now. So I'm definitely in until it warm up because I don't do cold and I get sick easy. So I'm about to watch me a movie and chill out for the rest of the night. Hold on, let me block this nigga. I hate when I have my phone on D&D and somebody call twice. That's gonna get you blocked. That's not gonna make me answer it. Do not disturb. That's what D&D stand for. Like, you know, look how many numbers I got blocked. And it goes on and on and on. Like, don't play with me. My patience is very short. But anyway, like I was saying, I'm waiting on one more order. I have an order from Instacart or DoorDash. I had to get some stuff for my baby that she wanted, and we're gonna just be laid back for the rest of the night. And actually, I'm not even gonna say nothing, but I got a package. It's gonna come in very handy this weekend since I'm gonna be stuck in the house again. Okay. This is a little burn. I I know it's extra, but I don't like lighting my coals on the stove for my hookah. So I got that to light my hookah. That's what I'm gonna be doing. And I also got this. My address, Amazon. Ooh, that box cutter. That's on something about. I have to get me another box cutter too. So you know those little them glasses with the little wooden lids, what they call them, bamboo glasses, I guess. Well, I had some and mine was getting like molded, and then I heard a lot of people talking about that. I saw 1 or 2 little brown spots on one of mine, so I threw them all away, and I ordered these. The little plastic ones. Hold on, they look kind of small. Hold up, I need to see if this gonna fit. Like for these glasses right here. Oh yeah. Okay, fit perfect. Definitely, because them brown ones wasn't it. I'm still scrubbing thinking it's dirty, and I'm like, how you get dirty? Like, no way. Come to find out it's a mold. So in the trash they went. And what else? And I got this these little cordless heating pads. I actually got 2 of them, one for me and one for my daughter. Honestly, I might need both of them because I'll be needing one for my stomach and for my back. So anyway, I don't really have much going on. I know I always say that, but I never really do, especially when they acting like they gotta shut the whole state down because it's about to get cold. So it's not gonna be nothing much for the rest of the night. So honestly, I don't know what I'm about to do, so we're gonna just have to see.
Scripture says, His mercies are new every morning, not because God changes, but because you awaken new each day, invited once again to remember who you truly are. So every morning, before you rise, before you check your phone, before you rehearse problems or revisit old patterns, listen to this and let the truth settle into the deepest chambers of your being. For this is not motivation. This is not hype. This is not fleeting inspiration. This is remembrance.
Hey y'all, it's the next morning. I ended up falling to sleep last night, so I just got up. It's still really cold outside, and it's supposed to be like even worse today, they said. So I'm gonna be inside doing the same thing as I done yesterday. I just got up. I fixed me some warm tea to start my day. I didn't really feel like fixing a big breakfast. I can't eat breakfast as soon as I wake up. I'm gonna watch this pastor on YouTube, Philip Anthony Mitchell. So I'm gonna watch his sermon and do a little journaling and reading my Bible for a second. And once I get up and get dressed and start my day, if I even get dressed, honestly, I might stay in my pajamas all day.
God sending us, even the person with the microphone. Ain't no angels preaching no sermons on Sunday morning nowhere in America. We just act like it, but we're not. We sheep journeying too. We need to be washed too. We need to confess too. Your favorite preacher got sent too.
I know them people sick of me. It's later in the day. I decided to throw on a little lounge outfit. Took a shower, did my skincare, and just got my order from Target. I'm about to fix me something. I hadn't ate all day. I like a lot of green onions on mine. I ain't never tasted this chili crunch. My daughter wanted it. I hope it's good. Cause I know I be trying shit and it don't be working out. Let's see, cause you know how I be. Okay, so let me see how this tastes. I never had this before. Not with this. I had the dumplings before, but I never had it with this sauce. But crunchy chili, whatever. Let me see. Let me see if I waste some more money. Okay. I don't know how to use no chopsticks, so I'm trying to work it with a fork.
Hey girl, when I tell you I'm still impressed.
Jamari.
I know a lot of people, they rave about the smell. You just smell so luxurious, like you just step out of a designer fragrance store. What for me, I'm going for.
You want some dumplings?
No, you don't like them?
No, why? I keep trying shit and I'll never like it. I'm not wasting no more money.
I mean, I told you myself that they're not that good. The pork ones.
Okay, well this too was a fail. I'm just have to. God damn it.
Are you recording?
You don't want to just eat it?
No.
Man, girl, I don't like it. At this point, I'm not trying nothing else. It's like every time I try to try something different, I don't like it. And I'll be like low-key knowing I'm not going to like it. But I give it the benefit of the doubt. But like, if it's something I have to eat, I'm going to stick to what I know. We're going to just leave it like that. I'm so mad. Now I'm going to probably have to eat some cereal and milk or something because I'm not cooking nothing else. But anyway, it's still very, very cold and it's now raining. So they talking about like it's supposed to like sleet or something. So I'm about to chill out for the rest of the night. I don't have much going on. I know this vlog gonna probably just be everywhere. It's gonna look like I was just doing shit, which I was. I ain't gonna even lie. But I'm gonna go ahead on and wrap this up. My hair, excuse my hair. I'm getting it done next week as soon as this weather clear up. But anyway, I'm about to end this vlog here, and I'm gonna probably get into this little book that I ordered. I wanted to the game of life and how to play it. I try to read a little bit every night, you know, before I start getting ready to wind down. So that's what I'm about to be doing. And I'm gonna catch y'all on my next vlog, and I will be doing something, and I'm gonna try not to be in this bed. Somebody was like, you always making your content in your bed. I said, because that's where I be in it, really. But it is what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to do something else on my next vlog. Like I said, it'll most likely be a maintenance vlog because I need everything done again. My hair, my brows, my nails. Probably do a little shopping. You know, I need to re-up on some hygiene products and everything like that. So anyway, I forgot my outro. Hold on. Thanks for clicking on my video, and if you stayed this far, thanks for supporting me. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Feel free to leave a like and a comment. And until next time, keep it Gucci.
Tell me how you want it. 3, 2, 1 and I'm on it. Feel good, don't it? Good bitch, fuck you in a bunny. I'ma bust it on the pole like honest. I'm just being honest.